Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechWide, and in this video I will let you know how you can remove your property or your website domain from Google Search Console account or your Google Webmaster account. So guys, you need to enter into your Google Search Console, and when you will enter into Google Search Console, you need to log in. As you can see, I am already logging into my Google Search Console account. So this is the property which I want to remove from my Google Search Console account. You can see on the top left corner there is an option we can choose any property which we want to remove. This is the property which I want to remove from my Google Search Console account. So before removing this property, I just want to let you know few things. Like if you are the only owner of this Google Search Console property, so you will no longer to see the more information and access which the services Google Search Console can provide. If you already add multiple users as a manager to Google Search Console, and no if you delete your property, then the users can see the data from Google Search Console. But if you are the last owner, then you are not be able to add to see the information from Google Search Console. So this is a property which I want to remove. So after that, after selecting the property, I need to go into the settings section, which is the below left menu. So I need to enter into the settings section, and then you can see there are few options. But before deleting a property, I just want to let you know you can delete your property only if you are a verified owner for a verified owner for this property. So as you can see, I already a verified owner for this property, so I can delete my property from here. So I just need to click on the this remove property button, so the property will be removed from my Google Search Console. So guys, this was a short video like how you can remove your property from Google Search Console, and I hope that it would be helpful for you guys. And if you found it helpful, then please press the like button below the video. And if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.